might be more.
There's one more.
Okay. Get ready to just light this bush. Let's see it. Let's see it. All right. Oh shit.
You got them both.
You were on my team.
Nah. Nice.
Justin.
That's
on
your team.
Blue shirt. Friendly. Friendly. Where the fuck is anyone else now? Justin. All right. Let's go around for another. No, that was us. We just played the bars out. You see anyone over to the right? No?
Well, let's go and check. Let's go secure the force to the right. This one? What's up? Who's a faggot?
No, those are teammates.
Those are friendlies.
Friendlies.
Whoever's going to the right, let's go.
That's it. We're going to the forest. We just went through the forest.
No, to the right, to the right.
Someone shooting at you?
We're going to the right.
I don't know if it's our own team or not. No, it's not.
Yo, watch out.
All right, we have guys on the left.
We're going right though. Right.
Dude, get Dante. All of us are going to come right.
Hey, some of us, let's go or back around again.
All right.
Oh!
Shit.
We're trying to head back!
The best ambush seen so far.
Back out of there. Hit. Hey, you see my hat over there anywhere?
Oh, no.
It's a woodland hat. Can you look for it for me, please?
Yeah, I found it. That was the best ambush ever. That was great.
Yeah, that's the one that I see. I'm seeing up top here.
That's game.
Michael, you were shooting at me.
Done? this way.
Mitch!
Okay.
Mitch!
Okay, we're
Mitch!